Nelson Mandela Month is actually reminding us of the spirit of selflessness, the spirit of Ubuntu. Given how Nelson Mandela has been known throughout the world as a person who would prefer peace rather than any other things. So when it comes to the 67 minutes is something that we need to do in each and every day. It should be something that is imbued into us, and also our responsibility to help the less privileged and also help the vulnerable, because the spirit of Ubuntu, it doesn't have to end with July on the 67 minutes only, but it's something that we need to do in a daily basis. It needs to be part of our lives. So that's what I think about the whole spirit of Ubuntu, the spirit of selflessness, as it has been attributed into Nelson Mandela Month.